Create virtual desktop, and switch between desktops. To show all the desktops, hold Windows key, and press Tab. To create virtual desktop, hold Windows and Control keys, then press D. To switch between desktops, hold Windows and Control keys, then use arrow keys. Windows key plus Tab to view all the desktops. Opening MS Word on desktop 1. Creating desktops using Windows plus Control plus D, 2 new desktops are created. Opening Paint application on desktop 2. Opening Google Chrome on desktop 3. Now you can see all the 3 desktops having different applications opened. Using Windows plus Control and arrow keys to quickly switch between desktops.